Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread with Nutella. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 large egg, and about 1 cup of delicious Nutella ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our dough ready. In a small bowl, combine the warm milk, yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, remaining sugar and salt. Pour in the yeast mixture, melted butter, and the egg. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, roll it out onto a lightly floured surface into a rectangle approximately 16 inches by 12 inches. Evenly spread about 1 cup of your favorite Nutella over the entire surface, leaving a small border. Carefully roll the dough tightly from the long side, creating a log. Pinch the seam firmly to seal it and tuck in the ends. Place this beautiful log into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Let it cool slightly before slicing and enjoying your homemade Nutella bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.